Hi everyone, good morning. And our day today is January 16, 2025. And the weather temperature here in Stockholm, Sweden is plus 5 degrees Celsius. So good morning everybody, maayong buntag sa tanan. I would like to greet a belated happy birthday to Isa Shipora Pagwa. Hi Isa, good morning. And I wish you all the best, belated happy birthday to you. And I would like also to greet hello to Ma'am Joanne and Jake Obaldi in Taguluan, Misamis, Oriental, Philippines. Hi, good morning to both of you. And also I would like to thank my colleague Angel for this beautiful refrigerator magnet that she has given me yesterday. And this one also. Thank you, Jen. And this too. I remember this one. Thank you, Angel, for this uh, peanuts. I like this one, but I have to eat this one later in the afternoon because it's too early for me to eat the sweet. It's so nice. Love this one. Thank you, Angel, for the pasalubong. Thank you, Jen, especially this one. I really like refrigerator magnet from Palawan. So I have this one. I don't. This one, the beans. I am going to cook this one anytime, maybe next week or in the weekend. So I will try to cook the beans with this one. I mean, so I have to go to my work soon and see you later in the afternoon. I need to go to my work so early because I will start at 7 o'clock. So thank you so much everyone for watching my blog. And hi to TikTok. Good morning. And to my Facebook Reels. Good morning to all of you. And to my YouTube channels. Thank you so much for watching my videos when you have time. Thank you so much everyone. And hope you have a great day today. So see you later. And may God bless us all. Bye-bye. Hej då.